Hi, I'm Robin Higgins, and this is Formulas Used in Chemistry. All right, so there are thousands of formulas used in chemistry, so I've collected a few that I think are really necessary for a basic foundation in chemistry. First is the ideal gas law, PV equals nRT. And this is a way that we can look at different attributes of gases and figure out ones that we don't know. So P stands for pressure, V is volume, N is number of moles, R is a constant, and T is temperature. So if we have any, so R is always the same, and we have 4 variables. And if we have any 3, we can figure out the 4th. So this is really cool because let's say we just know the volume and then we know that we're on Earth, so we know the temperature and the pressure. We can actually figure out how many moles we have. And this is super useful for figuring out different reactions, and it works for most gases, so it's really cool. Second, speaking of formulas, let's talk about chemical formulas. So this is really important because we're deciding and figuring out exactly how many atoms and how many of each type are in a different chemical or molecule. So let's take acetone as an example, and its structure looks like this. So acetone has 3 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 6 hydrogens, 3 attached to each carbon, and up here it has 1 oxygen. And so if we write it like this, we've written the chemical formula. And this is a really important formula because it allows us to really see what's going on. We can see the size of the molecule and what different properties it's going to have because of the different atoms included. And last but not least, I think that a really important general formula is knowing how to convert moles. So if we have the molar mass, let's say of water, which is around 18 grams per mole, and someone says, oh, we have 2 moles of water, how much does that weigh? Well, we can do a conversion. If every mole weighs 18 grams and we have 2, then if someone just tells us we have 2 moles of water, we also know we have 36 grams. And so this is super useful because calculating the moles allows us to really have a common way to convert different types of molecules with each other. I'm Robin Higgins, and this is Formulas Used in Chemistry.